Hi guys, did you know that you can control the speed of the TikTok videos? If not, let's check our guide and get to know how to do it. So guys, let's open the TikTok app. Right now we are on the For You page and this is the first video on our feed. So this is the normal mode of its speed. To manage the speed of this video, let's hold it on and click on the playback speed option on the appearance menu. So guys, here we have the normal mode. We can also slow down this TikTok or speed it up. So for example, I will activate this 2x feature and you will see that our TikTok right now is so fast. And don't forget guys that right now our TikTok is reactivating every time, but if you will go to the next video, the normal mode will be enabled again. So you have to activate and use speed every time for each of the videos on TikTok by yourself. It's not the automatic option for the whole videos on TikTok, but you will choose the speed feature only for the selected one. And guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful and interesting. Don't forget that on our channel you can find even more tutorials and guides about the TikTok, its secret features and options. If it is interesting for you, don't forget to check our other videos, and thank you for watching. Bye bye!